Hello, this is Misha, and I'm here again with another video, trying to be as consistent as I can. But today I'm going to show you how to make this super easy and cheap chicken and potato bake one pan, and it's super cheap to make. And so this is a spice mix right here. I'm going to make a spice mix that contains brown sugar, lemon pepper, Tony's, cayenne, salt, pepper, and chili powder. And I'm just going to mix that up really well, and that's the seasoning for the chicken and the potatoes. Like I said, this is also cheap to make. This portion size was under $10 for all the ingredients except for the spices. Of course, you use the spices in your house. But this can serve 4 people, and so you save a buck and it stretches. So I'm gonna season my boneless skinless chicken thighs because they're super cheap. I feel like it depends on the type of chicken you like, but if you're not picky and you're low on funds, just get the boneless skinless chicken thighs or chicken thighs all together. They're super cheap. These are the potatoes that I'll be using. They're white potatoes, but you can use your favorite, of course. And the potatoes were only $2.71 or something like that for all 3 potatoes. They're nice size as well. This is a green hatch pepper. You can find it in the produce section of any supermarket. Look how big and beautiful it is. And so I'm going to rinse that up. I chopped it up, and now I'm adding the seasoning to the potatoes and the peppers. You can season this with the chicken. I just wanted to separate it, and not cause any drama in the comments with people, talking about it. So I separated it and just seasoned it separately. And this is how it should look. So if it don't look like that, you need to season it some more. So now I'm going to add my chicken to the pan. This kind of application, it doesn't matter how you put the chicken in here because it's all going to cook together. And, so it doesn't matter. But this is how I'm choosing to do it. So I'm putting the chicken on over to the left, and the potatoes are over to the right, as well as the peppers. And now I'm going to cover it and put it into a preheated oven of 400 degrees. Now I'm going to cover it with parchment paper and aluminum foil because I don't like putting aluminum foil directly on top of food. It's just, I don't do it. And I suggest you guys don't do it as well. Anyway, bake this off in the oven, 400 covered. And then you're going to remove the cover just like I'm doing here. Look how good. Oh my goodness. And look how tender the potatoes are. Now at this point, this is already cooked. But Misha's corner fashion, everything needs color and more flavor. So I'm going to put the juices all over the chicken and the potatoes. Just like this right here. It's going to take a little while, but get the juices all over everything. Add some butter down in here, y'all, and then put it back in the oven for another 15 to 20 minutes so that the liquid can reduce, and then it'll be nice and charred just like this. Voila! No, I'm just kidding, you guys. Then I'm going to finish it up. You can use parsley or cilantro. I had some cilantro on their last leg, so I sprinkle link all over top. And y'all, it was just so delicious, so easy, and so cheap. And like I said, you could feed a family of 4 with that portion. It was about 10 boneless, skinless thighs, and the potatoes were big. So this is what it looks like. The potato is so tender. The chicken was just juicy. And if you give this a try, tag me and let me know what you think. If you want to have a recipe suggestion, comment below and let me know. And I'll see you guys on Sunday with my next What I Eat in a Day to Lose Weight. I hope you guys are also enjoying that series, and I'll catch you on my next video. Bye, y'all.